Hi guys, welcome to TechTrim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install Pinterest button for Chrome. So let's go to Chrome first, then right here Pinterest save extension. Just write it and press enter. You'll find this first option, Pinterest save button. Click on this. Then you can see this save to Pinterest option. Just click on this add to Chrome, click on add extension, and here's your extension. You can find it here. Just pin it, then you'll find it here, and you can use it by clicking it once. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.